If you want the magic solution for keeping weeds away in your garden, stick around because I've got it. I'm Audrey from Audrey's Little Farm, and around here it's all about finding joy in the simple things. Okay, so maybe it's not a magic solution, but it is a hula hoe and a mini pitchfork, which are my two favorite gardening tools this year for weeding. If you're like me, you hate weeds. I don't really know of anyone that likes weeds, but it's hard to keep on top of. And so this year I've been trying to weed often and keep them out. And instead of waiting until they get huge and out of control, I've been trying to weed every time I go out into the garden. Alrighty, so first off, I just want to point out I don't really have a problem in my raised beds. Those are pretty easy to take care of. But I do have these long rows where I have my tomatoes and peppers and winter squashes planted, and the weeds just constantly come up, especially right here along the edges. And so I'm just going to quickly show you how I use the hula hoe every time I come out into the garden and how quick it is. Okay, so you can see how quickly I can just go through the weeds with the hula hoe. It only takes me a couple minutes per row, but now I want to show you why the mini pitchfork is the best complementary tool to the hula hoe. Okay, so real quick before I push play, I just wanted to point out, I want you to pay attention to how easily the weeds come out of the dirt with the mini pitchfork compared to a rake. Then you have a big old pile of dirt, clods of dirt and weeds at the end of your row. And with the pitchfork, the weeds just easily come out of the soil. All right, friends, so remember, weed often, get a hula hoe and get a mini pitchfork. You'll appreciate it later. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.